So today we're looking at the Broom Crown. Successful boat for Brooms. Started off life as a Continental, and then the superstructure was altered and modernised and became the Broom Crown. Around 83 of these were built up until about 1986. This particular example, Grand Cru, got the larger engines, the Volvo TMD 40As, giving about 148 horsepower as opposed to the Perkins. Teak decks, you can see they're nice and wide and flat, very easy to get around the boat. The half canopy doesn't enclose the complete aft deck. Canopy itself looks to be in fair order. Do a little bit of a clean in places, but overall not bad. She's got radar, GPS aerial. Now inside the cockpit. You see you've got shore power, bow thruster, searchlight, radar, plotter. No engine hour gauge up here. We'll check the engine hours when we go into the main cabin. Access into the cabin is via this spiral staircase. So into the main saloon and then off into the aft cabin, which we'll come to later. So this is the main saloon. As you can see, very spacious. Upholstery's in good order. Carpets are a bit worn, but serviceable. Plenty of storage on this port side. Crown was popular as well due to these side doors, both to port and starboard, meaning access was either on the side of the boat and then through the side doors or through the rear saloon door. So we'll just look for the engine hours. Engine hours here, 3,373 on the starboard, 3,359 on the port. Galley located to port, forward of the saloon. Good sized oven, grill, 4-hob burner. Recently fitted electric fridge. You see here individual storage areas, crockery, plates, cups, that sort of thing. Nice tidy galley. Opposite to starboard, we've got the day heads. with a diverter, so you can divert to sea or holding tank. Electric toilet. No shower in this one, just the electric toilet. And then we have the forward cabin. Twin V berths. Actually a decent size in here, plenty of floor space. It is quite nice, you've got these, so the forward cabin's also got these double doors to get in. Okay, we'll just move off to the aft cabin. We're back into the saloon now. Just down a couple of steps to the aft cabin. Straight away you can see large island double berth, and the big difference between the Crown and the Continental. The Continental had 2 berths in the aft cabin. And you can see woodwork. It looks to be in very good order in here. I'm assuming that's because it gets less of the sunlight than compared to the saloon. Got good hanging locker and good storage space. Another hanging locker on the starboard side. Another key feature, separate toilet and shower. So on the starboard side we have the toilet with wash basin. And opposite to port, its very own shower cubicle. There is also engine room access through here. Saloon also possesses some nice features. Got drinks cabinet and glasses. The storage, all sliding doors. This particular one's also got the additional of a couple of drawers in there too. They all slide very freely. You just look at the woodwork on the inside. All in lovely condition. Okay, so that is the Broom Crown. Grand Crew. Nice example. As you'd expect, boat of this age, 1982. The woodwork isn't perfect, but not bad. I've certainly seen a few worse. It's got the Volvo engines, which were always the preference. Currently priced $57,950. Lying with us here, MYA Brundle. Full details, of course, can be found on our website, www.mya.co.uk.